Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I want to offer you a motivational moment to help you keep going on your reseller business. I get discouraged sometimes, and these things help me. I know they will help you too. So let's get motivated. Okay, so for this motivational moment, I kind of wanted to share with you a verse because I have been a little bit stressed out this week. I've got a lot on my plate. We got a vacation in a week. We're doing our vacation Bible school at church, and I'm responsible for a lot of things. And so I'm freaking out a little bit, not having enough time to do everything. And I've been feeling a little bit like instead of me running my job is running me, because as you can see, I still have a lot of things behind me that I still have to accomplish before we leave for vacation, plus doing ministry, and I have a family, and I have to cook, and all of those other things. And so here's a really great verse that I absolutely love, and I hope that you enjoy it. And then I have a really funny kind of slideshow for you to just help you laugh some of your stresses away. So here's the verse. Philippians 4, 6, and 7. Be anxious for nothing, but in everything by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known to God. And the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, will guard your hearts and minds through Christ Jesus. Philippians 4, 6, and 7. God is the one who gives us peace, even in our times of stress. And one of the ways that he does is through laughter. And so I hope that these fun video clips will be amusing to you, and that you remember when you are stressed out, just take a moment of quiet and pray and let God carry all those burdens for you. It's not ours to need to carry all those burdens. We don't have to carry everything. So hopefully you really, really enjoy all of these fun slideshow items. Hopefully that was fun and relaxing, and it kind of gave you a chuckle. It did me. So I hope that your stress has been a little bit lessened, and remember, talk to God when you're freaking out. Don't let your business run you. You need to run it. Hope this has been motivational, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you don't attend church or cannot get out, please join me and my church family on our church's live stream on Facebook in the link below. The one who is usually preaching is my hubby, the voice from behind the camera. And you might even see me singing on the praise team. The live stream usually begins between 10:30 and 10:45 after our announcement time on Sundays. Just tune in and enjoy. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.